The young linebackers always come to me and say, like, how did you see that? Like, how did you do that? Were you doing this thing last year? And I just tell them, like, yeah, I did the same thing you did. You'll keep getting better as you keep going.
Got to get there, Dominique. Get them squared up.
The linebacker out of Booker T did have a lot to learn in 2013. But by the season's end, Dom was the Big 12's Freshman Defensive Player of the Year. Back in Tulsa, seeing Dominique's success didn't come as a surprise to big brother Derek.
I love it. You know, the way I always grew up was the little brother's always supposed to be better than the big brother. Not saying that he's better than me, but I'm saying to see him do well in the level that he was playing at, it's really exciting.
And for the second time in as many years, their respective teams go head-to-head. Fortunately for Dominique and Derek, they play on the same side of the ball.
He told me that he was going to hunt him up on special teams. But then they both, I guess when Dominique started playing a little more, he not playing as much. So that just makes for better Thanksgivings, I think.
Because when these two go at it at anything, it is a fierce family feud. Like, don't even try to control the TV after school.
Like, I would try to run in the house and go grab the remote real quick and put it in my pocket so he couldn't get it. And then he would catch me, and then I'd get, like, body slammed, and then he would take the remote. So he always won unless my parents were home.
In the OU-Tulsa matchup last season, it was the Sooners who were ultimately doing the proverbial body slams. But the Alexander brothers will continue to support each other, except when they're bragging in front of their friends.
It really comes out when we're all hanging out and we all talking about, who's playing who and what they did last season and who did what last season. That's when it comes out the most. And, that's all just fun and games. So other than that, if it's just me and him, we're just talking about, how you doing, how I'm doing, just life stuff.
Oh, it's going to be fun, bragging rights in the house and just for the whole family. But we're going to come out with the victory.
John Lawns, Tulsa's Channel 8 Sports.